Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. Clearly, let's look at the daily time frame perspective over here. Let's see what price has done in the past few days. So we see price head on to 37.50 region, a slight of it though, 37.45 region, right? I'll say a clear rejection of that region, and we anticipated price coming to reject at 36.00, right? We didn't get that rejection. We though anticipated that price could actually fall into this region and pick up orders before it will rally back, because we have a test of 1, 2, 3, 4 broken retest of it. So at this point now, we might be expecting a price continuation, right? A bullish continuation, or price might break through this strong demand zone here right now and still head down to 34.00 before going up, or even probably 33.70 before going up, but unlikely though, because we have a strong region supported by a trend line and a demand zone right here. So we could just see price rally back up. But if we look at the intraday perspective on the daily time frame here, right here on this time frame, on this slide, sorry, on the 1 hour, what am I expecting going forward today? Basically, you could see price opened here, made this lower high right here, and price is surging down. My best bet is price might just come down to 35.32, reject 35.32, and go back bullish, right? Go back bullish to come back to around 36.00 region to retest this trend line or break it. Two things. I'm expecting price to come around this region, either retest it but continue bearish to come down to the final zone. I'm expecting at 34, more like 35.00, right? Before, that's a psychological level, right? Before going bullish completely. Or we could see a retest of 35.34 region, 35.33 region, yeah. And going forward, we could see price come to 36.00 one more time. If price fails to break 36.00, we could see price come down a little bit for a retest at 35.75, come back and break the trend line. When it's break the trend line, retest this region at 36.00, and we are sure to see price go back bullish full time, right? So I repeat myself, like what I'm expecting currently, I'm just expecting price to come a little bit to 35.32 during the London session, break through this level, come back to 36.00, retest 35.73 region, break the trend line, retest 36.00, and we'll see price surge up back up. So let's see how the price plays out today, tomorrow, and we'll see you guys on Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of the day. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. Currently on Monday we had this initial bias that let's make this over. So on Monday we had this bias right here that we were expecting price to actually reject this region, right? Come all the way here to pick bounce orders, right? I expected price to probably hit 1.3500, right, or even below it, right? But I was expecting price to probably just come pick up orders and reject this region a little bit to give us more confluence. All right, we saw on Monday price just surged down without looking back, and we saw price hit all the way to 1.3440, yeah, breaking this region. So so going into Tuesday, I knew that price would probably just come give some kind of double bottom pattern here before continuing the bullish structure, because I think this was the perfect zone for total retracement patterns, right? So I felt like, okay, I'm getting into this trade, but the trade was took me out in a few pips right there. Yeah, took me out in a few pips and hit the TP. We hit the TP. But it's all cool. We just had one loss that yesterday. So looking at the continuation we're seeing right now, let's take this off right now. So what I'm seeing now going forward for Pound USD is simple. We see price already broke back above what here and at 35.01. So I'm expecting price to at 35.20 region, right? price is coming back to probably reject this region as rejected here earlier too. So a rejection in this region will give us a confidence to go into this trade for buys, and we could see our continuation. Let's head on to the 4 hours. On the 4 hours time frame here, we could see a pure double bottom formation right here, and we could see a continuation. Let's just get to the continuation of price going all the way up to, let's say, 3600 for now, and then we could see how price plays after that. And then if we pull up this trend line, mini trend line that we see here, that could actually give us some confluence in going into this trade going forward, right? So let's see how this plays out, right? And then I'll see you guys on Friday. For now, my bias is bullish, and if there's any price just played out what I was expecting in a long time. So reverse head and shoulder pattern right here. But there's a possibility that if price is not tired of going down, you could see price still come all the way to this region, but I think this should be a strong rejection zone that we could continue bullish. I'll see you guys on Friday, and let's see how this plays out. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. Wow. The strength of the dollar had a lot to play on the pairs this week. So let's just look at one cycle right here. So on Wednesday I was expecting, because of this double bottom and price at a key level right here, although I was expecting price to actually just bottom this spot before going forward, and then we saw price give me this double bottom. So price was at this point, so I was expecting a rejection on this point and price to continue bullish, but price broke down to this point, and this was another clear rejection zone to have taken people out, but I wasn't sure because the strength of the dollar was really huge. So I was waiting for a new formation to actually play out. So when price came out to this point at 134.14, I had to wait, and over the next 4-hour candle really broke down into 133 zone. Yeah, we are here again. Look at this point now. Price is at a serious zone. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. At this point, price was way past my trading hour. I don't trade around that time, and that's more like 4 hours before the New Year session would close. I would have actually bought the GU at this point. But let's look at what's going on going forward. Price might actually just come down again, and let's just see new structures. Well, price might at this point start going back up. Yeah, from this point right now, price might just start going back up, and otherwise, if price breaks 133 50 region here, 133 56 55 region here, then we could see price come all the way to this new zone here. But for now, I think price is tired of going down. We could see price, let's see price will start going forward, like going bullish right now. All right, I'll see you guys on Monday, and it's been a rusty week. All right, so let's see how price forms next week. I'll see you guys on Monday. Ciao.